Big news today. First of all, I'm really excited to announce my second Lightroom preset pack. These have been about a year in the making. I'm really excited to finally get them out there. And then also, all of my presets are now available not only for Adobe Lightroom, but I have a separate edition for Capture One users. So let's talk about Preset Pack 2. So this is a group of 16 presets that I've designed into 4 categories. First of all, we have Vintage Color presets, which is a continuation of something I started in the first preset pack. Vintage Color presets are designed to give you an analog look. Now, they're not film emulations, but they emulate the looks of final prints by some of my favorite photographers. So if you're into the work of Ernst Haas, Saul Leiter, or Jacques-Henri Lartigue, I think you're really going to like these. I've been using these a lot in my own workflow, and I'm really happy with the way they came out. We also have 4 new monochrome presets. Now, these are not actually black and white presets. They are monochrome, and they have a black and white look, but as we all know when we look at prints, you have warm tones and cool tones and alternative process, and black and white prints aren't really black and white. So these are designed to give you the look. They draw inspiration from alternative process and paper types. I've been using these a lot for photo assignments. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of those in use. Next up is a new series that I'm working on that I'm calling Nocturnes. Now, Nocturne presets are designed for moody, low light, low exposure situations. So if you want a lot of drama in your images, you're shooting in darker conditions, and you want your color to really pop out and make a statement, I think you're really going to like the Nocturne presets. And finally, we have a new series that I'm working on that I'm calling Artist Pro presets. So if you shoot digital natively, you probably know that cameras do a really good job of trying to give you what the manufacturer feels is the perfect color in every image. As a result, sometimes they're a little too perfect and they can feel like they don't have a lot of soul to them, or they're a little bit cold feeling. So these are a way of just warming up and giving more depth to digital images, and I'm really excited about this, and I think these presets are some of my favorites in this pack. I mentioned that all of my presets now are available in 2 different editions. So there's an Adobe Lightroom edition, and then there's a Capture One edition. If you buy the Lightroom edition, these are going to be compatible with Adobe Lightroom Classic as well as Lightroom CC, and if you have a Creative Cloud account, you can actually sync the presets to work with Lightroom Mobile. So if you want to work on your iPhone, your Android device, or even your iPad, anything that supports Lightroom Mobile, you can now use these presets in that if you have a Creative Cloud account. And both Preset Pack 1 and Preset Pack 2 are now available for Capture One. And so I'm really excited about this. This was a lot of work to get these consistent with the Lightroom editions, but I found something that I'm really happy with, and I'm really excited to finally get these out. It extends the possibilities and the options that you have in terms of software if you want to get these looks. So head over to theartofphotography.tv/presets. I will put that link in the show description as well. If you head over there, you can play with the presets. I've got sliders set up. You can see what each one of them is going to do. And if you want to buy them right now, I have a sale going on. Preset Pack 2, as well as all the Capture One editions, are on sale right now for 40% off. And if you want Preset Pack 1 and 2 together, you can buy them as a bundle and save an additional 40%. So as always, I want to thank you for your support of this channel. I couldn't do it without you guys. I think you're really going to like these, so head over and check them out. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, later.